President Draupadi Murmu will be on a three-nation trip to Fiji, New Zealand, and Timor-Leste from the 5th to 10th of this month. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the 32nd International Conference of Agricultural Economists on Saturday and said that India is finding solutions for global food and nutrition security. In Bangladesh, quota protesters have announced a countrywide non-cooperation movement from Sunday in protest against the recent killings and to press home the 9 points demand. The Indian Meteorological Department issued a red alert for extreme heavy rainfall in Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Konkan and Goa today. In the Paris Olympic, Lakshya Sen today script history by reaching the semi-finals in the men's singles badminton. He became the first Indian cyclist to enter the men's singles semi-final in the Olympic Games.